Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and More. Well, today it's a rainy day, but I have some of my plants all lined up and they are all ready to flaunt their beauty. Here for the past 2-3 days, it has been raining with just little breaks, and even now it is raining. Now let me tell you, I chose my Syngoniums to show it to you today as I felt that they are the happiest with not even a speck of dust on them. It seems these pretty ones are enjoying the rain. Although my succulents are crying out for help. Help, help! So now, without further introduction about the weather, let us talk about my pretty ones, the Syngoniums. Now these plants are called by various names. Some call it Syngonium, some call it arrowhead, and some call it as the African evergreen as well. And these plants are also epiphytic in nature, that is, they can cling to the trees and it can grow on walls, all that. Now that's the bob illusion. If you see properly, you'll see that the veins are pink in color. So pretty it is. These plants look pretty when kept indoors, but I don't like to keep them indoors for more than 2 to 3 days because the plant starts looking dull. It loses the healthy look it had before. Now that's my narrow leaf and it has become quite bushy. The soil that I have used for these plants are just the ordinary garden soil with a bit of cow dung added to it. Now that's my neon and it has pretty pink leaves when it is young, which gradually turns green when it gets matured. The shade of pink is also so pretty, uncommon pink. Wow, see, new leaves ready to unfurl, all pink in color. Aren't these plants adorable? So gorgeous they are. These plants are very easy to grow. The leaves of the Syngonium have the tendency to burn during summers if it is kept under direct sunlight. That's my moonshine. The leaf has a silvery texture on it. The plants, all of them are looking so fresh and pretty. And look at the variegation in this particular Syngonium. Some of the leaves are yellowish, some of it are greenish. Pretty. I just love admiring my plants. I just have a few Syngonium, but I love each and every one of them. They are wonderful. They have pretty shades of pink, green, pretty. And see, the rainwater on the leaves are adding to the beauty of the leaves. It is enhancing the beauty of my Syngoniums. I would also like to add a few more Syngoniums to my collection in future. That is, if I get hold of some pretty ones in the local nursery. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, and hit the like button if you found the video interesting. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. We'll be coming back soon with more interesting videos. Till then, bye.